All right, here we go. First Monday of unemployment. Let's make a margarita. We'll have a furlough fiesta. Sounds good? Okay. We need some limes. We're going to juice these bad boys. You don't want to use sour mix. That's no good. Nobody likes it. You got to get one of these. Oh, yeah. Juicy boy. That's great. Let's do another one, just in case. All right. Got our lime juice. So we'll do an ounce of that. Got a nice measurer here. Wow, very nice. Okay. We'll do, you could use triple sec, which I'm going to have to use soon because I'll be broke. This is orange liqueur, Contro. We'll do a half ounce of that. Great. And then we'll do some tequila. It's got to be 100% blue agave, made in Mexico. You don't want anything else. That's no fun. We'll do 2 ounces of this. Maybe we'll do 2.5. That's fun. Now we need some ice. For our little mini shaker. This is all they had at the liquor store. This little teeny tiny guy. Shake it up. That should be good. I missed the bar. You can add some simple syrup if you want to make it sweet, but why would you want to do that? And we'll put it into a glass with some ice. Let's add a little more. We don't have margarita glasses. We're just doing this at home. There it is. It's margarita. Here we go. Wait a second.
Thank you.
Okay, I guess I'll make another.